Kastor Karjala kalau ke bakloi benikren baka kenhun king atiar New Trap National Liberation Council lada ka I no shwai ki kam bolong persaan. Ya kani la pentip daulat Kajala Meghalaya utata kataroi habakren hakasi sedang ke darbar martingka jong ke ying darbar thawain Kajala hakasi thodiam.
Militancy in the state is completely under control, with very few cadres based in Bangladesh. The New-Trap National Liberation Council's activities are confined to issuing press releases and postings on social media. This group has also expressed desire to come over to ground for talks. The government reiterates its stand that the doors are open for dialogue, provided they give up their unlawful activities. The government has been rehabilitating the surrenderees and disbanded militant cadres under the revised scheme for surrender cum rehabilitation of militants in the Northeast.
Ulat loong baka Kajala kala sakhi ya kijinye lang ya ki persya da ki kenhun sang bhalang persya ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act arjakat khandai bat kijinye ki dawa pentri kami ke nilai permit ha Kajala dak ba pentip baka ying darbar thawain Kajala kala menjur da ka resolution bandawa na ka sokar pedang ban pentri kami ke nilai permit hapo ka Bengal State Frontier Regulation 1873 ban pentikna baka ndang kijinye dai kinang songsnong Kajala dak ba pen pau kulum ya kijinye ki persya CAA bat kijinye ki dawa pentri kami ka LP lala mantela kam bahar ki bor pul Kajala loong bah ke jingja ha isamatia ka pratrik rumpang usam larang ba lur char nyauta ulakhla no hadien ke jingmen saw ke bajur hadien ke jingan ad snam ha pedang ki ar kanhun.
The state has witnessed agitation and protest by various NGOs against the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 and the demand for implementation of the inner line permit in the state. The government has passed a resolution in a special session of the Assembly held on 19 December 2019 to implement the inner line under the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 to ensure further protection and safeguard the interests of the people of the state. The matter is being actively pursued with the Government of India. Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 to ensure further protection and safeguard the interests of the people of the state. The matter is being actively pursued with the Government of India. Mr. Speaker and honourable members, overall agitations against the Citizenship Amendment Act and demand for ILP were effectively handled by the state police. However, in an unfortunate incident that took place on the 28th of February 2020 in Ichamati in Sora Civil Subdivision of East Khasi Hills District, Sri Lurshai Hainuta succumbed to his injuries following clashes between two groups. The clashes occurred when a meeting organized by the Khasi Students' Union on the CAA and the ILP. The police were swift to take action, and 8 people were arrested following the incident. A magisterial inquiry has also been ordered. Further, the government has released an amount of 2 lakhs of rupees as ex gratia for the next of kin. The medical expenses of those who were injured will also be borne by the government. There were also incidents of assault and stabbings in Shillong where 1 person succumbed to his injuries. The government has sanctioned an amount of 2 lakhs of rupees for the next of kin from the Chief Minister's special grant. All injured are being treated in civil hospital and private hospitals, and their medical expenses will be borne by the government. The police are investigating all those cases and will ensure that justice is done.